This module shows you how to create and edit connections in View RTU. This also assumes that you have previously viewed the Adding Points and Editing Points training modules and have a basic understanding of points. Using View RTU, you can connect points to other points, which in some cases are required in order to perform a task, as well as to allow data to be transferred between points. To begin, open View RTU. Double-click on the point icon to view the point connection. The Points Available window displays if multiple points have been configured. If only a single point has been configured, this window does not display. Double-click on the point in which you want to create a connection. The Point Connections window displays. This window is a visual illustration of the reference connections to the focus point. From this window, you can select reference points, create connections between these points, and enter configuration parameters. To edit the focus point, double-click on the point icon. Edit the point as appropriate, and then click Download if you are online to the RTU. If not, click Store to save configuration and download when the RTU is connected. Click Exit to go back to the previous window. To create a connection, simply drag the reference point icon over the desired parameter. Modify the reference point as appropriate, and then click Download or Store. Connect more points as appropriate. If it does not exist, you will be prompted to create the point. Click OK. Define the point, and then click OK. Drag the point icon again to connect it. Modify the reference point as appropriate, and then click Download or Store. To edit the value of the reference point connection, double right-click on the point icon. Edit the point as appropriate, and then click Download or Store. Click Exit to go back to the previous window. If multiple references exist, you will be prompted to select the reference. Click Download or Store as appropriate. If prompted to overwrite the existing reference, click OK. Drag the borders to view the data. To change the point connected to the parameter, simply drag the correct reference point to replace the connection. Click Download or Store as appropriate. Note that some reference points are incompatible with some types of data. View RTU can determine if a reference is valid, but it cannot determine if the reference is meaningful. Double-click on the connected reference point icon to view details of the connections. Drag the borders to view the data. Double-click on the point icon to go back to the previous window. When finished, close the Point Connections window. You have reached the end of this module. Thank you for watching.